If you are getting the error message, please try again later. Sorry, we are currently experiencing a technical issue. Please try again after some time. There is not much you can do to fix this issue, but you can try the following. 1. Wait a few minutes and try again. Ola is usually able to resolve technical issues quickly. 2. Check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a strong internet connection. 3. Restart your phone. Sometimes restarting your phone can fix minor technical issues. 4. Force close the Ola app and reopen it. On Android, you can force close an app by going to Settings, Apps Notifications, see All Apps, Ola Force Stop. On iOS, you can force close an app by double-clicking the Home button and swiping up on the Ola app preview. 5. Check the Ola website and social media pages for updates. Ola will often post updates about technical issues on their website and social media pages. 6. Contact Ola customer support for assistance. If you have tried all of the above steps and you are still getting the error message, you can contact Ola customer support for assistance. Here are some additional tips to help you avoid getting the "please try again later" error message. Make sure that you have the latest version of the Ola app installed. Keep your phone's operating system up to date. Avoid using the Ola app during peak times. If you are experiencing frequent technical issues, try using a different internet connection. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe Techsor for more videos.